Hello, this is Seoul Bite. Today we are going to make a Korean-style fusion dish, Myeongran Pasta. Myeongran is a Korean salted seafood made by curing pollock raw in salt. It is perfectly salty, packed with umami, and truly a dish that Koreans love. So let's make a delicious Myeongran Pasta. Perfectly fits the Korean palate without being too heavy or greasy. First, let's look at the main ingredient, Myeongran. Today, I prepared a lower sodium Tokwa Myeongran, about 110 grams. If you are using the red seasoned raw, about 2 pieces will be enough for a 2-person serving. Just give them a quick rinse under running water. Next, garlic, about 10 cloves sliced nice and thin. Then 2 green onions, finely chopped. For a little color, some red chili. I've got dried red chili here, but fresh works perfectly too. Just slice it into thin strips. For the rest, grab your butter, about 4 teaspoons. 2 tablespoons of salt, pepper, and your pasta noodles. A splash of cooking wine too. And if you don't have any, white wine works just as well. Some olive oil. And this one is the secret touch. 1 pack of Korean seasoned seaweed. Trust me on that. Oh, and if you happen to have cheese in the fridge, that's a lovely optional extra. Alright, let's boil the noodles first. When your water's going, don't forget 1 tablespoon of salt and a little drizzle of olive oil. Here's the key. Since we're tossing the pasta with the Myeongran later, pull it out 1 to 2 minutes earlier than the box tells you. We want it just underdone. Drain it and give it a quick rinse in cold water. Now into a hot pan with a little olive oil and start with the green onions. Let them sizzle until they flavor the oil. That's what builds the base of the whole dish. Once that green onion oil comes together, add your garlic. When the garlic turns golden and just a little translucent, that's your moment. Add the Myeongran. It cooks fast, so keep an eye on it. Pour in your cooking wine, about 2 tablespoons, and bring the heat down low. Now, before the noodles go in, add your butter and let it melt through. Then, in go the noodles. Toss everything together, and this is the moment to taste for seasoning. If it's a little bland for you, add a pinch of that salt from earlier. To finish, a few grinds of pepper and that red chili for a pop of color. Give it one last good toss, and that's it. Remember that seasoned seaweed? Slice it into really thin ribbons and lay it over the top. Eating the seaweed together with the Myeongran gives you this wonderful extra layer of flavor. And if you've got that cheese, this is the moment. Totally optional, but so good. And there it is. Myeongran pasta is done. That briny, savory roll with the crisp seaweed on top. It tastes like a little piece of home. If you've got some garlic bread in the freezer, toast a few pieces and plate them alongside. Thank you for spending this time in the kitchen with me. I'll see you next time on Seoul Bite.